This is right after a bath before bedtime. All the cute little baby noises he makes. Day 10.
You are so cute.
Notice how on day 10 he's already tracking with his eyes. He's been doing that since day 1 or 2. So he's looking at the iPad.
All done. Let's give you more. You want more food? Of course. I'm so happy to give you more food. Let's... Oh, someone's eating his fingers. Someone's hungry. I think it's better if we burp a minute, okay? Let's burp a minute. He's looking for food. Well, I know, but I need you to burp. I need you to burp, darling. You're very hungry. You're very hungry. Okay, so let's give you more food. Let's give you more food. Here's the other bottle. 1 minute. Here. Giving it to you now. You want more food? I have more food for you. Baruch Hashem. 1 second. Let's take this. Because every drop is gold. You know that, baby? Let's give you. Oh, someone's very hungry here. Someone's very hungry here. כן, כנסי. אוקיי. נכון. תודה רבה רבה. Who do we love? We love our baby, right? Who loves our Yudah Leib? Me. And Daddy loves you. And Hashem loves you. Everybody loves you. You're a little angel.